Is using effects on photos cheating? In journalism, yes. For most of you watching, no. Welcome to another mailbag edition of the Photowalk's channel. I'm Jefferson Graham, and thanks, Alex, for the question. Stay tuned for more. I'm Jefferson Graham, a lifelong photographer, writer, and video maker. The Photowalk's channel is all about taking you to great places and showing you how, when, and where to get great photos and light up your social media. We also love to answer your questions about photography. So today, do me a favor, everyone else, please take a second and subscribe so you'll get the latest updates. Know this about my photography: I never ever give the clients what is basically a raw photo. Every image is processed. I tweak the colors, the exposure, you name it, to give them something that pops. Most mornings I love to take a walk along the sandy Manhattan beach and take photos on my iPhone 8 just to see what I can do with a smartphone. Trust me, I never ever use the hashtag no filter. I tweak like crazy. I like to say that I can improve any photo in 30 seconds or less just by putting it through the Adobe Lightroom Mobile app. It's free. I urge you to give it a try, and I'm going to show you some before and after in the app in just a second. But first, take a look at your Instagram feed. Notice how some of these images are just a wash in color beyond the normal Instagram filters. That's because they've been tweaked. They're doing to the images what we used to do in the darkroom, dodging, burning, and boosting things that in digital you can do in seconds what used to take me hours. I think that's okay, but sometimes people overdo it. You're treating your image as a piece of art, like a painter, and you're using digital photography as an art form. Now take a look at this before and after shot from my recent Newport Beach photo walk. I threw in the red color to add to what was already a nice shot, but face it, it's more appealing with red, don't you think? Okay, now let's look at the Lightroom app. My basic gist is that I will always up the blacks and the exposure. Together, that makes the image richer. I click the dehaze button to darken the background and often hit the vignette app as well. I don't see this as much different from what I used to do in the darkroom. What do you think, viewers? Let me know in the comments right below. And viewers, please keep them coming in. If you haven't already, please take a moment and subscribe, and be sure to stay tuned for an upcoming photo walk, the next one in Newport Beach, California, as we continue down the coast highway of Orange County. Where would you like to see us go? Please let me know in the comments. Get out your cameras, get ready for a photo walk. I'm Jefferson Graham, and this is a wrap.